So I'm having a little problem. That's going to be a problem with my fender.
Hello and welcome to the CBD channel. That's short for Carlo by David. You know you want to get on your bike and ride, get out, somewhere, anywhere, to the park, to the farmer's market, ride the roller coaster.
So I'm going to take it off and see if I can have my son Nick weld it. Okay, I have bolts that I need to take out. This is the first one here connected to the frame by the pedals. Up here behind the pincer lock is the bracket in question. Seems like everything's 10 millimeter bolts here, so. Alright, there it is. Look what I found in the grass here. Nick tried to weld the fender and it didn't work out too well. It actually melted a hole through it. So I have this crappy plastic fender that I got from a hybrid bike that Amazon sent without all the proper materials. So they sent me a brand new one with everything and said, keep this one. So it's not the right width, but it'll be temporary while I get me a brand new fender. Let's see. Yvette from My Amsterdam Bike Company is sending me a brand new fender, and we'll have to make some adaptations probably because it didn't fare too well on the streets of the Bay Area, which is amazing because if you think about it, Amsterdam has cobblestone bike lanes and these bikes fare well there. Well, my fender came today. The packaging, a little questionable here. Looks like it's been halfway around the world, and it has. So here we go. It's about time to put that fender, gifted by Babel Bike. Let's go get it. It's been stashed out here by the jacked up fender for a while. So, oh yeah. So there's the original fender. Fender started falling apart. Well documented. Much better. Old fender, fucked up. New fender. Thank you, Yvette. And all you folks that have bikes. I was going to pinstripe these. So this is going to go towards the crank. This is the rear where the tail light goes on. So we're going to start. All right, I think we got this. I think. We'll see in a second. Man, look at that nice new fender.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next installment of the CBD Show. We hope you learned something or had some fun watching. Do you enjoy riding bikes? Do you commute to work by bicycle? Have you ever wished you had more room for stuff? Would you love to learn more? If you answered yes to one or more of these questions, or even if you're just interested, please drop a comment, post a question, and kindly hit that like button. And if you stay tuned, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we'll be following up with a new episode each week. Thank you.